Today's video tutorial is about Microsoft Word window, and to start, let's move our mouse piece above our window where we see document 1, Microsoft Word. This is the title bar. This shows the name of the document that you're dealing with. So in the top right corner, just like in Windows programs, you can minimize, you can restore, then you can close your program. And on our top left corner, we have the quick access toolbar where you can save, you can undo, and you can redo. All these options we see here can just be customized. Still, on the top left corner, we have this button known as Office button. Click on it once. You see you can create a new document, you can open an existing document, you can save changes to the document you are working with, you can give a new name to the document that is saved as, you can print the document that you want, and so many other possibilities. And here we have the Word options where you can make changes to the settings of this application. This exit, you can also exit the application. So to deactivate this pop-up menu, we just move our mouse piece and click somewhere in the document once. Just below the title bar, we have the tabs, and under every tab we have buttons arranged in form of groups. We have, for instance, paste button, cut, copy, format painter under a group known as clipboard. To view other groups, we can click on the insert tab, just left click once. Then you see here we can insert illustrations, for instance pictures, in your document that we are working with. The next is the editing space. All of this part is what we call the editing space. This is a space where we can type in our text, and to do that, click once on that space. You will see the insertion pointer blinking. Here we can type text, for instance, hello world. Here we have the ruler, and on this side the two rulers are used to set the page margins. And to view the ruler, we use the view ruler button just above the scroll bar. By clicking once, so when you click, the rulers will get hidden. When you click once more, the rulers are displayed. Below the view ruler button, we have the scroll button. You click, hold, and move down. As you see the changes on the screen. So if we move up again, you can see our text hello world is displayed. So this button helps to display the editing space and also the margins, including its contents. Then we have the zoom tool where we see the minus and the plus buttons. By clicking on the minus button, we reduce the view of the editing space, and by clicking on the plus button, we are enlarging the view of the editing space. And on the left of the zoom tool, we have the page layout views. The first one is the default. You can see it marked, and this is our default view. The second is the full screen reading view, so we can click on this button once. When you click on it, this view cannot allow you to edit any text. Let's hit on the screen, then we try to type. You see nothing takes place. So to go back to the default view, we move our mouse pointer to the top right corner and click on the close button. Then we can go back to our default view. There are other 3 buttons. Web layout button, we click on it. We have also the outline view, we can also click on it, and we have the draft view. So if your screen is not on the default view, that means that you have to go back and you select on the print layout view. We click on it. So this is what we call the normal view of our screen. Our next feature is the ribbon. The whole of this area here is what we call the ribbon. So this ribbon can be hidden and can be shown. How can we do that? We move our pointer on the screen here on the tab area. You right click, press the right click button once, then we shall see 3 options. We shall select on the last option, which is minimize the ribbon. We click left once. So when you click left once, you see the ribbon is hidden or it disappears. To bring it back, we go back on the tab area. You right click. After right clicking, we still go back to the last option on minimize ribbon. Then we uncheck. Let's click uncheck. Then the ribbon will come back again. And another way of hiding and showing this ribbon of ours is by double clicking an opened home tab. Like this one is already opened. You double click. So previously our ribbon was displayed, but now it is not there. To show it again, we go back to the home tab and double click, and the ribbon gets displayed. Those are the 2 ways we can hide and show this ribbon. That's it for now. See you in the next video.